Welcome again everyone to another tutorial video for the module 2 of the second quarter for this grading. So here, as you see in the screen, we have our focus for this module. In 2 weeks, we will be able to insert list tags and format it using the cascading style sheet. So what are our primary focuses? We have 4. Understand the use of list tags in HTML5. Insert and format a list in an HTML5 document. Implement list customization using the inline or CSS elements. And apply list border style elements using CSS. So these are the 4 things that you would be able to do after the module itself. Okay, so here in Let's Prepare, we have here our second assessment. So the second assessment will test your knowledge in inserting list in HTML5 web page. And then there is a set of information that you need to be created in list form. I'll be the one that will be giving the information for you to make it in list form. And the image of the desired output will be included at the end of this module. So I will be showing only the output of the image that is needed to be displayed in your browser. And in the next column, you would see the rubrics for our score. So in our assessment later, we would be seeing, so here we have the breakdown of task. You can assign your task depending on week that you are going to answer your module. So this is for week 3 and week 4. Then next one, let's review task number 1, is wherein you're going to create or separate the different HTML tags depending on what kind of tags they are. Ginagamit ba siya para sa template? For example, itong HTML, saan ba siya dapat nakalagay? Sa template tags ba siya? Sa text formatting tags? Or sa media element tags? So, anong klaseng tag ang nakalagay doon sa baba? So, you would be writing it on the correct or accurate type of tag na gagamitin. So, for example, yung HTML, saan ba siya dapat nakalagay? So, most probably, for example lang, it is on template tags. So, the others must be allocated in the right type of HTML tag. Okay? So, next, we have here the reading 1. So, I'll be showing you how to insert or create a list in a web page. So, we have 2 types of list. We have unordered and ordered list. So, for unordered, we are going to use UL. Then, for ordered list, we are going to use OL. So, I'll be showing you, I have already created an HTML file. So, here, as you see, we have here a example tag for the list. So, when you're going to create a list, first, you must determine if you're going to use unordered list, which is I already told you, UL ang tag, then ordered list. Okay? So, yan ang laging basihan ninyo. So, as you see here, I listed all the sections of grade 9. So, hinati ko sa 3. Yung una ay naka-unordered list, and yung pangalawa ay naka-ordered list. So, when I'm going to save this one, going to save, then andun to sa documents. So, I'm going to go to my documents. Okay. So, dito, tingnan nyo maigi. Aalisin ko muna or i-delete ko muna yung style.css na ginawa ko para makita ninyo yung raw lang na list type. Okay. So, when I open this one, you would see on the unordered list, bullets ang ginamit na separation for each list. While during doon sa tag na gumamit tayo ng ordered list, you would see numbers. So that is the difference between unordered and ordered list. Pag unordered list, gumagamit siya ng different types of bullets. So yung bullets na yon, gagamitin natin yun mamaya pag gumamit na tayo ng CSS. And pag ordered list naman siya, syempre, using numbers. Okay, so let's go to the next part of the module. So yun yung pinakasimpleng paraan para magawa mo o makapaglagay ka ng list sa iyong web page. So ito naman, for example, di ba nga UL yung ginamit natin? So unordered list. So pwede natin palitan yung bullet na ginamit natin. So these values, itong mga values na to, ito yung mga pwede nyong gamitin. So disk, circle, square, or none. Kung ayaw nyo ng may bullet, pwede nyo ilagay siya as none. Okay? So gawa tayo ng CSS nya. So ang selector natin dapat dito ay syempre yung UL. So when we're going to use UL, then curly braces, list, style, type. Okay? So let's try to create a square. So let's save this one, style.css. Then save. Okay, so as you see here, when I'm going to refresh my page, dapat magiging square itong mga circle na to. Okay, as you see, naging square na siya because I changed the list style type to square. Paano kung none? Okay, so let's go back to our style.css. So palitan natin siya ng none. So you're just going to save this one again, then I will go back to my page, then refresh this one. Then as you see, nawala yung bullet. So because we changed the list style type to none. How about sa ordered list? Ano ba yung mga pwede nating ilagay or palitan using the CSS? So sa ordered list naman, we have here different values. So we can use decimal, you can use lower Roman, upper Roman, lower alpha, or upper alpha. So these are the different values that you can change in your list. So let's try to change the value of the CSS doon sa ordered list natin. So let's go back. Let's try to use upper Roman. Okay? So let's go back to our CSS. So OL na yung babaguhin natin. Then just select OL. Yun ang selector natin. Then list style type again. Then we will be using upper alpha. So ito yung mga Roman numerals. So again, go ahead and save it. Then I will just refresh my page. Ito yon. Then as you see, napalitan siya ng letters or capital letters. So that is upper alpha. So you can change other letters or other values depending on what is needed in your web page. So ganun po ang pagpalit naman ng values and selectors sa CSS. Ganun na kasimple ang paglagay ng list in HTML. Okay? So if there is correction on the printing of the module, please, itong task number 2 ay dapat nasa page 5. Okay? So huwag kayong malilito. And then the browser output must be inside. Yung nasa taas is outside, yung nasa baba is inside. Okay? Ayan yung pag-indent pagdating sa list. So magagawa nyo rin yan sa CSS with the proper external CSS katulad nung ginawa natin kanina. List style possession. Yun naman yung babaguhin natin. So isa-select nyo lang ulit kung yung unordered list or ordered list yung papalitan ninyo ng position. Pero outside and inside lang po iyon. Okay? So let's go to the last 2 activities for your module 2. So mabilis lang naman to because it contains only 7 pages. Okay? So here at task number 2, you identify what kind of list style or list type ang pinaka the best that would suit the items given below. Kung bagay ba na dapat ba ordered list yung gamitin o dapat ba unordered list yung gamitin. So kung tingin niyo ordered list, OL ang ilagay sa space provided. Kung tingin niyo unordered list, UL ang ilagay sa space provided at the side of the number. So for example, number 1, list of foods for a menu food blog site. List of foods. Ano ba sa tingin niyo yung dapat? Dapat ba sunod-sunod ang nasa menu? Or okay lang na hindi siya sunod-sunod? So ano yung tingin niyo dapat gamitin? Ordered list o unordered list? So on and so forth with the other numbers. So scan the QR code below. So you can scan the QR code and answer the question. What do you think is the essence of inserting a list in a website? So there would be a video on YouTube that you would see there when you scan the QR code, and it will show you how to create a simple list. Also, it gives you tips on how to insert simple list in your website. Okay, so here is your last activity for the module 2. Last activity po ito. So refer to the guidelines at the first page of the module, and here are the things that you are going to do. So number 1 is that to insert this list on your HTML document. So as you see on item number 3, ganyan dapat ang output na kalalabasan. Isang unordered, isang ordered list. Ganyan ang dapat output. So makikita ninyo yung title, anong ilalagay sa title, nandyan sa taas, nandyan sa tab, yun ang title niyan. At kung ano yung information na dapat nakalagay sa list. Unordered man or ordered list, parehas lang naman ang kanilang information. So number 4, write your code based on the image provided in page 7. So ilalagay ninyo yung code ninyo sa space provided here. So dito nyo ilalagay o isusulat yung pinaka-code ninyo na sisend nyo sa akin on the succeeding steps. So when you already write your code, you try it into your computer or to your phone, then you can send your HTML code or HTML file in my email address rp.avil@ntc.edu.ph. Doon nyo yan lagi isisend. And once na nasend yun ng HTML ninyo, I will be sending or replying to your email the correct Word file. Ibig sabihin, magsisend ako sa inyo ng Word file, pero meron yung password. May password yon. So I'll be sending also the password together with the Word file, pero hindi porket na-send nyo na ay pwede nyo nang baguhin yung sagot ninyo sa last page. Para dahil nakita nyo na yung tamang sagot. Hindi. Kung ano ang sinend ninyo sa akin, yun ang aking gre-gradean dahil makikita ko naman ang code ninyo when I open it with Notepad. Ang basis lang or ang purpose lang nun is to review your code. Kung bakit ko isi-send sa inyo yung code or yung kompletong code ng activity na to. So again, the purpose of this task is for you to check and review your code but not to copy the file that is written in that Word file at ilalagay ninyo sa page 7 at yun ang sagot ninyo. Magkakaroon lang ng bearing ang page 7 ninyo kung hindi kayo nakapag-send sa email. Okay? Pero kung nakapag-send kayo sa email, yun ang aking checkan. Yun ang inyong page 7, hindi yung nandoon sa module. Okay? Pero kung hindi kayo makakapag-send sa email, ang pagbabasehan ko po ay yung page 7 ninyo. Okay? So, pwede ko siyang isend sa inyo through email, or kung hindi kayo makapag-send sa email at sa messenger kayo nag-send ng gawa ninyo, doon ko na lang din siya isi-send. Inuulit ko, it is not for you to copy the image or the file or the code that is written on that Word file. It is for you to review and check your codes. Ang magkakaroon lang ng bearing sa page 7 is yung hindi nakapagpasa sa email. Pero pag nakapagpasa ka sa email, yun ang grade-gradean ko. Okay? So that is for the last activity for the module 2 for the second quarter. Ganun lang kasimple ang last assessment natin. So again, I'll be going to upload a video for phone naman later on. So kung kayo ay sa phone gumagawa, dun ko naman kayo i-guide. So, if you have any questions, feel free to message me on all of my social media platforms na binigay ko sa inyo. And also, if you have any problems when it comes in answering the module, feel free to message me anytime. And please bear with me kung hindi ako makareply agad. Pero, I'll be doing my best to answer most of your questions anytime. Okay? So, that is for module 2 of your second quarter. And that's all for this video, and I will see you on the next one.